to 9 inches. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York. When? From 4 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details. The heaviest snow will fall during the evening into early morning hours. There could be some light rain or drizzle mixed in overnight. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions. Here is the type information.